Hello, it's Blaine's blog here again, and today we're gonna be doing a pepper update. Okay, so these are my pepper plants now. I started these in, I started these in April, and they've gotten pretty big now. I'm getting lots of peppers, as you can tell. These are blonde bell peppers. They're these, so they're doing really well now. As you can tell, peppers, they're pretty good too. And this one is a green bell pepper. I mean a red bell pepper. This is a red bell pepper. It has no fruit on it yet. Wait, never mind, it does have fruit. It has one right here. This one is doing interesting. As you can tell, red bell pepper. It's been doing pretty well. I think it's having a chlorosis problem here. As you can tell, the leaves. I'll fix that. This is another red bell pepper. I just noticed it has chlorosis. That'll be a difficult thing to fix. But yeah, peppers are doing very well. They're getting pretty big. Got a spider egg on that for some reason. I'll take that off. They're putting flowers out. There's some fruiting going on. So I'm actually going to show you some other stuff in here. These are my beans. They're also doing pretty well. It's really hot outside. It's 105. We're in North Texas, so it can be kind of humid. As you can tell, they're doing pretty well. Got some beans coming up. Beans right here. Well, a big bean right here. This one's gonna get ready for harvest soon. This one right here. This right here is a Swiss chard plant. This one right here, Swiss chard. It's kind of intermixing with all this stuff. It's kind of crazy. This is a cauliflower, but it hasn't grown very much because it's super hot. It'll start growing much faster and when it gets cooler. This is the cucumber. It's been infested with aphids. There's a lot of ladybugs now. You know, aphids. But let's see. We have some cucumbers. One right here. We've gotten like 30 off of this plant this year. So we had a very productive plant. It's great. Oh, yeah, there's one right here and there. See it? So that's the pepper and basically all the plants in here update. Hope you enjoyed.